Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuridatul Husna binti Muhammad Taufik. My magic number A18A0498. Today I will present about industrial talk of JD Mas Commerce Sendirian Berhad. Company background. JD Mas is the cross-border e-commerce division of JD.com. JD Mas is the largest online and offline retailers in China. It is the third largest internet company globally after Alphabet and Amazon. In 1998, JD Mas started a business with brick and mortar store in Beijing, and today JD Mas is the largest retailer in China, either using online or offline platform to promote their product and services. JD Mas different with other e-commerce retailers. First, strict zero tolerance policy towards counterfeit goods. Second, JD Mas is a retailer that only the e-commerce company globally that in their scale that does nationwide logistics in-house. Third, retail as a service being a strategy empowers of JD Mas partners. JD Mas offers an advantage to the retailers who want to promote their product at China. First, because of the JD Mas is the largest company in China, this is give an advantage to the retailers in Malaysia to promote their product and service in China. Second, product that are listed on JD Mas are authentic and genuine. Third, JD Mas logistic in advance because it will proceed customer order on the same day to deliver within China. Speaker background. The speaker who give a talk about JD Mas is the director manager, which Datuk Bruce Lim Aung Chong. He has more than 20 years experience in retail and entrepreneurial. He is skilled in human capital development, retail, entrepreneurship, and government relations. Datuk Bruce Lee focus to guide and support young talents in retailing business, corporate entrepreneurship transformation, using strategic renewal and entrepreneurship that evidence by entrepreneurial orientation to achieve entrepreneurial architecture. There are three main issues highlighted by Datuk Bruce Lim. First is the cross-border e-commerce, second is the technology, and third is logistics. The growth plan of the company. The growth plan of JD Mas is shown between the China and US. First is based on the fragmented retail market and rapid shift to online. China shows increases from 2012 until 2019 for 9.8%, while US slightly rose from 2012 until 2019. China has strong growth momentum in net revenues, net revenues breakdown, net product and services revenues breakdown, which shows keep on increasing. Issues and challenges faced by JD Mas. First is the effect of COVID-19 to e-commerce in Malaysia. COVID-19 has affected every businesses around the world, even JD Mas in China. Second, pandemic makes retailers suffering. Third is retailers from halal industry. Entrepreneur attributes of employee. First is determined. Second is courage. And third is result driver. As a conclusion, JD Mas is a platform for corporate entrepreneurship who wants to develop new business, product, services or processes inside of an existing organization to create value and generate new revenue growth through entrepreneurial through and action. That's all from me. Thank you.